What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Rebel Dipper here. So anyways, moved back in with my mom. Been doing pretty good lately. I'm back at my home school, back in my hometown. It's nice to be home. Been uploading some more videos than I was. But anyways, we got a dip review for you. That's right, Kayak grape. Now, most people give this dip a real bad reputation, but I actually don't mind it. I actually kind of like it a little bit. I got 2 cans this weekend. I already went through one, and I got about a half can of this left. Well, the first can was pretty dry. This one here is actually pretty moist. It's an all plastic tin, and anyways, we're spitting in the Hunter Orange today. Let's go ahead and pack us a lip. Pinchability is pretty good. Better than Copenhagen. Like, it stays together great. Beard update. I shaved it. I am growing my goatee again. Yay. I miss my goatee. But anyways, I've been trying different dips every week and trying to find something a little bit cheaper than Stoker's and something that tastes good to me. And Kayak grape. It's pretty cheap. I like it. I like the grape flavor. But it's not a plasticky dip. It's actually made. What's this? Yeah. It's 100% domestically grown tobacco. It's made by Swisher International Incorporated, Wheeling, West Virginia. Like I said, it's an all plastic tin. It's pretty strong. Anyways, can presentation, there we go. I mean, it sits in my lip right in here pretty good. Well, it's not all from my mouth. Oh, by the way, I'm looking to get a jewel. Somebody hit me up on Snapchat, Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram with that somebody wants to sell a jewel or give me a jewel. I need a charger, a jewel, and a pod. That's all I need. I don't need the pod to be full. I got the juice. Yeah, I give this about a 8 out of 10. It's not too bad. It's got a good grape flavor to it. But anyways, guys, I will be back hopefully next week. Hopefully Friday with another video. It'll probably just be a random video. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting this channel. Rebel Dipper out.
35 jamming big 98 with your hair no end.